Hello guys and welcome back to Yamakawa. We are back with another video. So ngayon, quick ride lang tayo kasama ng aking group Team Gaijin. So dala natin ang Yamaha MT-03. So kasama natin naka MT-07 and then isa pang Yamaha MT-03. Meron ding naka Yamaha R3. So a big shout out to Bro Hans, Bro Edmar and Bro Cyrus. So tara guys, samahan nyo kami uphill ride to Bukid Cafe Sports Bar. Let's go! And that's a wrap guys for this quick ride and uphill ride from JBY to Bukid Cafe here in TCH. So maraming salamat sa panonood and please don't forget to like and subscribe to Yamakawa. Thank you! Okay guys, kung kayo naghanap ng affordable and quality stickers, tarpaulins and more, please visit Gigaprint 99. Shout out time na tayo guys. So a big shout out to Axonad Read Gaming. Thank you very much sa support. Shout out to Kimberly Odo. So thank you very much ma'am for the support to Yamakawa. Ingat po kayo dyan palagi. And a big shout out sa ating kababayan na from Saudi Arabia, si Sir Paul Navarroza Kudilan. Shout out ulit sa'yo sir and ingat kayo dyan palagi. Maraming salamat sa suporta. And to my solid mentor out there from Biliran Island, a big shout out to you Sir Ruel Turing. So Maraming salamat sir sa suporta. And lastly, shout out to the Osado Brothers Group of Philippines. So, ingat-ingat kayo palagi sa rides. And maraming salamat sa suporta kay Yamakawa. Shout out to my new sponsor as well. Thank you for welcoming me to the team. We'll be creating contents on this soon. Stay tuned.